Homerun Resources, a company trading on the TSX Venture Exchange with the ticker symbol HMR, recently announced plans for the development and implementation of Latin America's first dedicated solar glass manufacturing facility in the state of Bahia, Brazil. Now, we know what you are thinking. How and why is this the first dedicated solar glass manufacturing facility in Latin America? Tune in to this video to find out. Homerun believes that Brazil holds the key to Latin America's solar potential. Why? Latin America stands at a pivotal moment in its solar power development, poised to become the world's second largest hub for solar generation, trailing only Eastern Asia. This potential is evidenced by the 176,172 megawatts of solar capacity in pre-construction stages as of late 2023. This solar boom represents a crucial step towards reducing dependence on fossil fuels, tackling climate change and reducing carbon emissions, and encouraging environmental sustainability. Brazil has experienced remarkable growth in renewable energy utilization. In 2023, the country generated 93.1% of its electricity from renewable sources. Wind and solar generation increased to 21%, surpassing the global average of 13%. Solar generation saw a 72% increase from 2022 to 2023, with the first 5 months of 2024 showing a further 68% rise compared to the same period in 2023. So what challenges has Brazil faced historically in solar implementation? Previously, Brazil encountered several obstacles. Cost competitiveness. Chinese solar panels were up to 50% cheaper than domestic alternatives. Tax exemptions. Imported solar equipment enjoyed tax breaks, widening the price gap. Lack of government support. Insufficient incentives for developing a domestic solar manufacturing industry. Technological gap. Brazil lacked the necessary expertise and infrastructure to compete with established Chinese manufacturers. Today, the Brazilian government is taking significant steps to boost domestic solar production. They are now scrapping import subsidies on assembled solar panels, revoking over 300 temporary tax reductions on solar modules primarily imported from China, allocating 41.5 billion Brazilian reais for the construction of 196 solar power plants, and reintroducing a 10.8% import tax on Chinese solar panels starting January 2024. How is Homerun Resources positioning itself in the solar glass manufacturing sector? Homerun has announced the implementation and development of Latin America's first dedicated solar glass manufacturing facility. In partnership with Horn Glass, Homerun has received a competitive budgetary offer of 151.5 million euros for a 1,000-ton per day solar glass plant, in addition to the cost of land, building, locally acquired ancillary equipment, and assembly labor. Homerun is leveraging proximity to high-purity, low-iron silica sand assets for competitive advantage. Homerun's silica sand does not need excessive processing to create ultra-clear solar glass like its competitors. It only needs to be washed and sized. Homerun has secured a specialized consultant to support the feasibility study for the solar glass plant in Camaçari, Bahia. Homerun is in ongoing and advanced discussions with banks and entities for the financing initiatives of the solar glass facility build. Homerun has signed a letter of intent to provide up to 365,000 tons of solar glass through a partnership into the domestic market. Developing a domestic solar glass manufacturing industry today offers several advantages that have not historically been available. They are vertical integration. Ownership and access to ultra-pure solar glass-ready silica creates a significant strategic advantage. Job creation. The photovoltaic industry in Brazil currently generates around 1.2 million jobs. Homerun looks to add to this number. First mover advantage. Early entrants can establish a strong market position with strong demand. Competitive edge. The import tax on Chinese products may reduce foreign competition. There are several advancements that are shaping the future of solar technology. High-efficiency solar panels. Perovskite technology is achieving efficiencies over 25%, with some configurations exceeding 28%. Building integrated photovoltaics, BIPV. These systems serve as both building materials and power generators. Solar energy storage. Energy storage allows excess energy to be stored for use during low sunlight periods. By addressing historical challenges and capitalizing on changing market conditions, Brazil is positioning itself as a domestic leader in the renewable energy transition, with significant potential for economic development through its solar industry. Homerun wants to play a large role in this transition and is making significant strides in doing so. We encourage you to watch Homerun's continued execution.